Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing PowerPoint and any Office processes so files aren't locked. Once done, copy the troublesome presentation to your desktop to work on a safe copy. Make sure Windows and Office updates aren't pending and that you have free disk space. Lack of updates or space can break startup. Open PowerPoint in safe mode by holding Control while launching or run PowerPoint/safe. This bypasses add-ins and lets you identify if an extension causes the crash. Once PowerPoint opens in safe mode, run an Office quick repair from Programs and Features. If problems persist, perform an online repair which reinstalls core files. Next, disable all COM and third-party add-ins and restart normally to confirm stability. If a specific presentation still fails, open a blank file and use Insert Slides from File to import slides one group at a time. This isolates a corrupt slide or media. Make sure to remove or replace any problems. To finish, update your graphics driver and try toggling hardware graphics acceleration under File Options Advanced. Graphics issues often crash rendering. If a file remains unusable, save a recovered copy as a new PPTX, export slides to PDF, or copy text and images into a fresh presentation to preserve content. If PowerPoint still crashes, create a new Windows profile or collect crash logs from Event Viewer and contact IT. One key tip: test on another machine to determine if the file or the environment is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.